You concentrate?
Uh-huh.
You concentrate on your thing. I'll follow you.
Tell me one.
Go ahead. It's rolling.
Okay, so hi guys. This is another episode of Ghetto Plays. We're going to keep going on and all of them be on the same topic and say. And well, this is one of them. I actually posted the yacht. And just so you know, soon I'm going to be a Minecraft YouTuber, so get into that too. If you like Minecraft, you can watch me. And that's pretty much it. There's going to be another video that's connected to this, but I just don't want my camera falling into the lake. That's all I don't want.
Okay. Should we watch you cross the river?
Yes.
Hopping stones? You did that really good before.
Okay guys, don't try this at home.
Hold on. I'm going to pause it. Hold on. Go ahead, bud. Show them all what you do.
Okay, Dad, turn it off then.